Hello and welcome to Ligna Journal, live here from Ligna. Today we're talking about the new structure for Ligna 2017, and I'm pleased to welcome here in the studio Dr. Bernhard Dirr, Managing Director of the VDMA Woodworking Machinery Trade Association, and Pfeiffer, Project Manager for Ligna at Deutsche Messe. I'm pleased you can join me here today in the studio. Dr. Dirr, why is Ligna being restructured? Well, Ligna 2015 has been another great success. Why is Ligna so successful? Well, because Ligna reflects the market very well. It's like a mirror, but it also includes the new facets on the market. If the market changes, we of course try and incorporate that. That's why we're in the process of implementing a new structure for 2017, and I'm convinced that that is the right step. And you can see the new structure in the following piece. With its newly designed structure, Ligna is set to become even more attractive in 2017. In 10 halls, with a net area of more than 120,000 square meters, the highlights from the world of woodworking machinery will be presented in 7 main display categories. Tools and machinery for custom and mass production is the title of the largest area. It stretches across the South Halls 11 to 15 and Hall 27 and covers the entire secondary processing stage. Hall 17 is dedicated to surface technology. The topic range in Hall 26 covers 2 areas. Firstly, everything to do with wood-based panel production. The second area in Hall 26 is energy from wood. Hall 25 is all about sawmill technology. Machine components and automation technology are brought together in Hall 16. The central open-air site takes a close look at forestry technology. The new structure at Ligna 2017 means that visitors can find what they're looking for even more quickly and easily. Related topics are brought closer together and paths are shortened. And exhibitors can present themselves more clearly and concisely. Ligna 2017 from the 22nd to the 26th of May in Hanover. Dr. Dirr, what is so special about the new structure? Well, I think the biggest change in the new structure is that we're bringing together sectors that have previously been involved in manufacturing. We're talking about solid wood, the furniture industry and woodcraft. They're being combined in a new area that is dedicated to custom and mass production. That's a significant change, a very positive one. Another major subject we're looking at is networking the various display areas. That is to say, bringing together related topics within the process chain. For instance, the connection between sawmills and further processing of solid wood, or the link between wood-based panel production and surface technology. Both decisions are very much in visitors' interests, and I think that is where the new structure really excels. Mr. Pfeiffer, what is so special about it for you? When visitors come to a trade show, they want innovation, inspiration and efficiency. And that's exactly what we can offer. We keep the proximity of energy from wood to the open-air site. A new link will be made between wood-based panel production and surface technology, just as the connection is secured between solid wood processing and sawmill technology. We asked for a few opinions of the new Ligna structure. The borders between industry and SMEs are fluid. We already have a whole host of small, high-tech companies that achieve levels at least as good as industry and are in an exemplary position.
und die da auch sehr vorbildlich aufgestellt sind.
Well, first of all, we appreciate that we combine the industrial customer with the small ones, the entry-level machine, which was, diluting the attention of the people here and there. And another point, finally, we can mix up the Italian company, German company. We don't have Italian pavilion, German pavilion, which was not very nice, actually.
The most important thing for us is the networking of the upstream and downstream sectors. In our specific case, it's the sawmills and wood dryers that are upstream and the manufacturing industry that is downstream. The boundary between SME and industry is completely blurred, so we should no longer separate the two into different halls, but rather discuss where customers can find which solutions.
The
most important thing about this new structure is the clear separation and presentation of the primary sector in two concentrated halls, and then the clear division of wood-based products and solid wood.
Die klare Aufteilung von Holzwerkstoff und Massivholz. Wir haben alle Hallen.
All halls are well occupied with strong companies, so it will be exciting and interesting for visitors.
Wird dieser Rundgang für unsere Kunden interessant und spannend.
Dr. Dirr, what advantages do exhibitors have from the new structure? Well, exhibitors will be able to present themselves much more compactly, that's absolutely certain. But what is also crucial for exhibitors is that visitors feel happy and that they find what they're looking for. And I'm really sure, I'm convinced, that with the new structure we'll be able to be even more successful there. Mr. Pfeiffer, Dr. Dirr just touched on this. What do you think the advantages are for visitors? The paths will be shorter, that's important. A good trade show is about high efficiency, about seeing innovations and simply about gaining inspiration. We're looking forward to it. We've put that into practice and Ligna 2017 is sure to be a great success. Thank you both for taking the time to be here. You heard it here, there are lots of advantages for exhibitors and visitors. Ligna is ready for what the future holds.